Welcome to My English Guru, a pioneer institute for learning English. Chapter 2. The elements of a sentence. The important elements of a sentence are 1. Subject. Every statement in English begins with a subject. The subject can be a noun, pronoun, or a noun phrase and is tied to or is in agreement with the verb. A bird is flying. Birds are flying. 2. Verb. The verb is the second element of a statement. There are 3 types of verbs. Linking verb is, am, are, was, were. Intransitive verb, verb without object. Example, birds fly. Transitive verb, verb with object. Example, he reads a book. 3. Complement. A complement usually follows a linking verb. The complement tells us more about the subject. The subject and the complement refer to the same person or thing. The complement may be an adjective, a noun, a preposition phrase, or an adverb. Examples: his father is a teacher. Your friend is tall. 4. Objects. Objects are of 2 types: direct object, indirect object. Object comes only after transitive verb. If a transitive verb requires only one object, it has to be a direct object. The object can be an answer to what or whom. The object can be a noun or a pronoun. An indirect object comes immediately after the main verb, but usually followed by a direct object. Example: Sachin hits the ball. Ravi told us a story. 5. Adverbial. An adverbial can be a one-word adverb, a noun phrase, or a clause. An adverbial can be an answer to when or where in a sentence. Examples: Ravi lives here. Adverb: you read this book last week. Noun phrase: the book is on the table. Prepositional phrase: she came when I was going out. Clause. Parts of a speech. Words are divided into 8 classes according to the work which they do in sentences. They are called parts of speech. They are: 1. Noun. The name of anything we can think of. Example: Delhi, chair, Ramesh, book, etc. Pronoun. A word which is used for noun. Ramesh is very intelligent, but he is very naughty. He is pronoun in the sentence. Verb. A word which says something about a person or thing. Example: I speak English. Speak is example of verb. Adjective. A word which describes a noun or a pronoun. Big, fast, slow, large, beautiful are adjective words. Adverb. A word which adds to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, she sings well. You run very fast. Well and fast are the adverbs in the sentence. Preposition. A word which is put before a noun or pronoun to show some relation. The book is on the table. The class starts at 10 a.m. On at are preposition. Conjunction. A joining word is called conjunction. And, so, because are examples of conjunctions. Interjection. A word which expresses some sudden feelings of joy, sorrow, and surprise are called interjection. Hooray, alas, wow are the examples of interjection words. Now complete the exercises in the book.